Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and in good health. So now we completed Unit 8 of Marigold. So now in English we are going to start with the topic of grammar, that is Adverbs chapter 9 in your textbook. So let's begin with today's class. Now before we start adverbs, see adverbs. Now you see you have verbs added over here, right? So before learning what is adverbs, we need to revise what is a verb. What is a verb? So a verb is a word that shows action. Now this verb, it's a very easy concept and you might have studied before, but if you forgot, let me remind you that a verb is nothing but something that shows action. Okay? We even call verbs as action words. See, examples are over here. Jumping girl. So, jumping, isn't it an action? The baby sleeps. Sleeps is action. A man eats a burger. So, eating is action, isn't it? Drinking, singing, dancing, running, playing, all these are actions. Okay? So, जो भी हम actions करते हैं, so the word that is used for the action, that is known as verbs. So I repeat, we call verbs as action words also. What do we call? Action words are known as verbs. Now you know what is verb? You know what is verb? Yes. Word that shows action. Action words. Okay, some action is known as verb. Now let us study what is adverb. Now if you add ad to it, it becomes adverbs. Now what is adverbs? So now if it is having verbs, it means it is something related to action, right? So let's see what is an adverb. Now do you see this girl is running? Okay, there's some mango over here. Okay, and a boy is reading. Okay, so let's see what is an adverb. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So students, adverb tells you, modifies. What is modifies? Over here it means tells you more about. Okay, so it basically tells you more about the verb, the adjective, or another adverb. See, 3 examples are given over here. So first, simple is, keep in mind, it tells you more about action. See, girl runs quickly. Now if you didn't have quickly, suppose quickly was not there. Okay, it's only girl runs. Okay, cut this. Girl runs. Now run is a verb, right? Run is a verb, but it's telling you how she ran quickly. She ran quickly. Okay, girl runs quickly. So now quickly is telling you more about how she runs. Doesn't it tell you how she runs? Yes, she runs quickly. So here quickly is telling you more about the verb runs. So that is why it is adverb. That is why it is adverb. This is a very sweet mango. Now you learned adjective. Adjective tells you more about noun. Adjective tells you more about noun. Adverb tells you more about verb. Right? So now adjective tells more about noun, means noun over here is mango. Right? A naming word, name, place, animal, thing, right? So it's a thing, mango, fruit, right? So mango is a noun. Okay, sweet is adjective. Now if you use very, you are telling more about sweet. It's very, very, very sweet. So what is very modifies what? Sweet. How much sweet it is, not how mango is. Mango is sweet, so that became adjective. But now when you say how sweet it is, so you say very sweet. How sweet? Very sweet. So sweet is adjective. So here you are modifying, telling more about adjective. So isn't this point covered? Yes? Easy? Then next, it tells you more about another adverb. Now, if it's quickly, there will be one more thing. So it will be telling you more about the another adverb. So Peter reads. Now see, Peter reads. So reading is action, right? Reads clearly. Okay. If you didn't have quite, Peter reads clearly. Now, is it telling you how he reads? How? Clearly. So this is adverb, right? But here you have another word. Now you have another verb that is quite. You have another adverb that is quite. Now quite is telling you more about clearly. Quite is telling you more about clearly. So here it is telling you more about another adverb. It is telling you more about another adverb. So in short, adverbs tell you or give you more information about a verb, adjective, adverb. Clear? So I hope the meaning of adverb is clear. If you still have doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So now we learned what is an adverb. Yes, we studied what is an adverb. So now there are types of adverbs. There are types of adverbs. So 5 types of adverbs we are having. Adverbs of time, adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverb of degree and adverb of frequency. Okay, so in today's class we will be studying adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place. So 3 we are going to cover in today's class. Okay, so let's start with the first type, adverb of manner. Adverbs of manner. Adverb of manner answer the questions how. It tells us how something happens. It is usually placed after the main verb or after the object. So now, adverb of manner. And then remember, in adverb you will have how, when, where something happened. How, when, where something happened. So adverb of manner, it gives you the answer of how. So, how an action takes place. Okay. So it how can you answer a question? Okay. If the example was there, na, girl runs quickly. How she runs quickly. How she runs quickly. So when you get the answer of how in adverb, it will be adverb of manner. It will be adverb of manner. Okay. So and it will come always after the main verb. It will always come after the main action. Is it clear or not? Or an object. Object means it can be a noun also. Okay. So, girl runs quickly. How she runs? Quickly. Okay. And it comes after the main verb. Yes. It comes after the main verb. So now it is an adverb of manner. It is an adverb of manner. See, accidentally. Okay. She jumped accidentally. Okay. Her intention was not jumping, but accidentally she gave a jump. Okay. Next. He looked angry. He looked angry. How he looked? angry. So these are all the examples, possible examples that adverb of manner. Is it understood? Let's see what your textbook tells you about adverbs of manner. So these adverbs say how something happens. They answer the question how. So this is what I explained you all. Adverb of manner, it tells you how an action took place, how something happens. See, words like easily, happily, loudly, quickly, quietly, sadly. So you see, most often you are having ly after the, see, happy, loudly, quickly, quietly, sadly, right? So these are all adverbs of manner. Silently, slowly. Okay, she came slowly. How did she come? Slowly. Okay, so you're getting the answers of the question how. You're getting the answer of question how. So when you get the answer of question how, it will be adverb of manner. Okay, so he drives carefully. How he drives? Carefully. And you see it comes after the main verb. The sun shines brightly. Okay, how the sun shines? Brightly. The girl did the sum easily. How she did the sum? Easily. So all these tells you how an action took place. So it is adverb of manner. Is it understood? Now let's go to adverbs of place. Adverbs of place answer the question where. It describes where something happens. Now see, if it is place, it will be where. Now where does not mean you take the place of name. Okay, it is the words that show you about place. Okay, see here some examples are given about anywhere, backward, down, elsewhere, in, near, on, over, towards, underground, along, under, above, see up, back, here, inside, outside, next door, below. So all these simple words tell you about place. The cat was under the table. Doesn't it tell you about place? Yes. So adverbs of place tells you where the action took place. These adverbs say where something happens. The answer question where. Words like away, everywhere, here, inside, near, outside, there, and some examples of place. So see the examples, the words that tell you about place. Okay, you don't have to particularly take the name of place. The words that show place, that indicate some place. Okay, so that is adverb of place. See the example. Mr. Bose lives there. Where he lives? Living is action, right? Where he lives? There. So it shows the place. The accident happened here. Now you go to somewhere, you're talking about accident where it happened. Okay, कहाँ हुआ accident? तो कहाँ हुआ? यहाँ हुआ. So यहाँ means that is your adverbs. Adverb. Okay. They went out. Where did they go out? See, you're not taking a particular name of a place. You're showing a place through words. Out. They're not here, they are out. So, they went. Went. Going. Action. Went is the past form of go. Okay. So, here out is adverb of place. So the words that show you where an action happened, that is going to be adverb of place. Is it understood? So now next, adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. So adverb of manner gives the answer of how action happened. Adverb of place gives you the answer of where action happened. So now obviously adverb of time means when the action happened. Now here you are not going to talk about 2 a.m., 3 p.m. and 4 a.m. and whatever. Okay, you're just going to talk about words that are going to tell you about time. So adverbs of time answer the question when. It tells us about when an action happened, besides how long, how often. So you're not going to tell how long, since 2 years, since 3 years. So that is not adverb. Okay, the words other than that, that shows you about time, that is adverb of time. See, always, already, before, daily, last, late, later, rarely, regularly, seldom, sometimes. So if you say, I always visit Baroda. Visit is action, right? Always becomes over here adverb of time. Okay, so let us see with some examples. These adverbs say when an action happens. They answer the question when. Words like after, before, early, now, seen, soon, today, yesterday are some examples of adverbs of time. I came yesterday. Came is action. When did you come? Yesterday I came. Okay. He ate before me. Means when did he eat? Before me. Before me he sat and eat. मेरे से पहले उसने खा लिया. So it's when did he eat? Before me. You're not saying the time, you're saying the words that tells about time. मेरे से पहले. So here that मेरे से पहले becomes over here adverb of time. Is it understood? Let me explain you with examples. She was surfing the internet yesterday. Surfing over here means searching something. Okay, so when did she search? Yesterday. When did she search? Yesterday. So that is adverb of time. Yesterday says when she was surfing the. Okay. Now we will know the result tomorrow. When are you going to know the results? Tomorrow. You're not taking a particular date. Okay, you're saying, showing time, tomorrow. So that word is giving you the answer of when is the result? Tomorrow. Okay. He gets up early. When does he get up? He gets up early. When does he get up? Every day he gets up early. So that is adverb of time. So here we completed three types of adverbs. Adverb of manner gives you the answer of how action happened. Adverb of place gives you the answer of where the action happened. And adverb of time gives you the answer when the action happened. Now you have adverb of degree and adverb of frequency that we'll be studying in the next class. So I hope these three are clear to you. Okay, and if you have doubts you can ask.